Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Highlander Hybrid. The Highlander Hybrid is equipped with the standard 3.3-liter V6 270 horsepower hybrid engine that achieves 27 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Offering a spacious interior, smooth ride, and refined hybrid powertrain, the Highlander is an excellent family vehicle that combines exceptional fuel economy and a spacious, well-appointed interior. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, braking assist, battery saver, regenerative braking system, front stabilizer bar. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.